Today let us solve the problem on one more problem on beam, that is beam with moment and overhang. This is a overhanging beam. It is having 2-point load, that is 6 kilonewton as well as 6 kilonewton, and it is having two supports and one support is overhanging, and then it is having the cross section of 100 into 100 millimeter, and they are given the moment here. Here the main intention is how to give the value of the moment, that is 12 kilonewton meter. It will become 12 into 10 power of 6 newton millimeter. Okay, let us see the calculation part of this. See, this is the calculation part. Here we won't find out any that is deformation. Let us find out the that is SFD as well as BMD. Here that as usual there are two reaction forces RA, RD. I need to find out the reaction force by taking moment about any one point. If I take moment about point D or point A also you can take. So if I simplify, I'll get the values of RD, that is 9000 Newton, that is, and RA I'll get 3000 Newton. This is the value of RD and RA. By using these values, I need to calculate the value of shear force diagram. These are the shear force values at each and every point. Next I need to calculate the draw bending moment diagram by using these values. Moment is nothing but force into distance. Here the maximum and minimum moment is 6 into 10 power of 6 minus 6 into 10 power of 6. Let us see the variation by using ANSYS. Okay, see, this is the ANSYS main menu. As usual, I'll go for preferences, structural, H method, okay. Preprocessor, element type, add. I'll click on beam to node 188, okay, close. Next, material property, material model, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. The Young's modulus is 2.1 E5. Next, Poisson's ratio is 0.3, or else I'll give 0.27 since they are given in the problem. Okay, next I'll close this. After material properties, next I'll go for sections, beam, common section. I'll give the value of B and H, that is 100 and 100. I'll click on OK. Next I'll minimize this beam. Next I'll go for, after sections I'll go for modeling, create key points in active CS. First key point, since it is origin, I'll give 0 0 0, apply. Next second key point I'll give 2000 0 0, apply. Third key point I'll give 4000 0 0, apply. Fourth key point I'll give 6000 0 0, apply. Next fifth key point I'll give this as 7000 0 0. I'll click on OK. I've created all the key points, 5 key points. Next I'll go for lines, straight line. I'll draw the line from key point number 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. Next I'll click on OK. Next, after key point straight line, I'll minimize this modeling. Next I'll go for meshing, mesh attributes, picked lines. I'll pick all the 4 lines. I'll click on OK. Next OK. Next, after mesh attributes, next I'll go for size control, manual size, lines, picked lines. I'll pick all the 4 lines. I'll click on OK. Here I'll give the number of element division as 10. Okay. Next I'll go for mesh tool, mesh. I'll select all the 4 lines. Next I'll click on OK. So meshing has been done. After meshing, I need to apply the loads. I'll go for load, define loads, apply structural displacement on key points. See, before this, since I can't able to see the key points, I'll go for plot key points, so that I can able to see the key points properly. Next, displacement on key points. I'll select first key point, fourth key point. I'll click on OK. See, this is a simple support, so I'll give UX, UY, UZ, rotation X, rotation Y, and then OK. Next I need to apply the load. I'll go for force on key points. I'll give key point number 3 and then key point number 5. I'll click on OK. The value is Fy and this value is 6000 minus 6000 Newton Okay, so load has been applied. Next, after applying the load, I need to give the moment, so that I'll go for again force or moment on key point. I'll select the second key point. Okay, see, for moment I need to give mz. Remember this, moment mz, and the value is 12 followed by 6 zeros, that is 12 into 10 power of 6. I'll click on OK. After applying the moment, next as usual I'll go for preprocessor stage is done. I'll go for solution, solve, current ls. Okay, so I should get solution is done. I have got that. Next I'll go for general post processor. As usual I'll create the element table, define table, add by sequence number SMISC 3, 16, 6, 19. Okay, I'll close this. Next I'll go for plot result, contour plot, nodal solution, DO solution, Y component. Okay, here I'll get the deformation, that is 4.9 millimeter. Next I need to check the SFD and BMD. I'll go for line element result, SMISC 3, 16. I'll get the bending moment diagram. Okay, see here, in this bending moment diagram I have got the maximum value as 0.57 into 10 power of 7 is nothing but 5.7 into 10 power of 6. Let us cross check with respect to the calculation part. Here I have got 6 into 10 power of 6, 6 into 10 power of 6, 5.7 into 10 power of 6, almost same value I got. So I cross check this value, and in case of shear force diagram I got the minimum and maximum value as 6000 as well as 3000. Let us cross check this also. So to find out shear force diagram I'll give 6, 19. Okay, this is the shear force diagram value. So we have got minimum minus 6000, maximum 3000. So values are matching with respect to the theoretical value, that is SFD and BMD. So this completes the problems on beams. Thank you.